You don't wanna fuck with me, don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard, 6 feet underground. I'm ostracized and traumatized by everything I'm not, alright, I'm lost inside, and anything I say you better listen up closely. Mostly, I'm the one and only, bring it home slowly, hand your boy the trophy, patience is holy moly. I got him hating on me like Michael hates Toby, force like I'm Obi, you know the one Kenobi, force fed baloney by phonies, just wanna rule the world, call me Mr. Steel Girl.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
You don't wanna fuck with me, don't wanna test your luck with me, cause if you try to fuck with me, I'll take all your body parts to a fucking graveyard, 6 feet underground. I'm ostracized and traumatized by everything I'm not, alright, I'm lost inside, and anything I say you better listen up closely. Mostly, I'm the one and only, bring it home slowly, hand your boy the trophy, patience is holy moly. I got him hating on me like Michael hates Toby, force like I'm Obi, you know the one Kenobi, force fed baloney by phonies, just wanna rule the world, call me Mr. Steel Girl. Easy gave me the referral, now he's worried about a jail. Yeah, coming out strong, I've been here for a long time. Started off